Hey guys, it's me, Court. Today, Braden and I are going to work on the camper. We're going to do some decorating. Our little buddy is coming along with us. Why are you putting your bum in my face? I'm just trying to video. You're okay, bud? Ozzy, what are you doing up there? You having a fun car ride?
Dude, what are you doing?
Ozzy, that's the one place you can't stand. Alright, so we don't have much left to do to the trailer, but today we came up and Braden is working on doing the oven. He's painting it. So let's go see what it looks like. Oh
Did I do good?
my heck,
You're fine.
it's so cute.
Obviously, we'll pull those back off and wash all that
Oh
crap off.
my
But
heck. So what are we gonna do with the sink?
I'll probably spray it this color.
Okay.
I'll probably do that right now. I just needed to go get.
It needs to be cleaned
Yeah.
out a little bit because there's some buggies. Cute. Oh my heck. That seriously made the biggest difference. We still have a couple lights to do. We have curtain rods that we need to paint, and then we're gonna have to sew the curtains, and then we'll hang those up. We have this door that needs to be fixed or replaced. Other than that, we're like pretty much done.
Like it?
Love it. Wow.
You done good, baby.
Aw, so cute. Look at that. He blends right in. He matches all the colors. Gray, gray, white, white, blue, blue. No, you can't dig your claws into my pillows. We already have a couple decorations in here. This frame, the clock. We got this cool collector's item at a garage sale for $5. We've got this little lantern. He's so furry that it just looks like he's super, super staticky. Huh. Dude, you are so...
Oh my heavens. Abracadabra, make freaking Ozzy disappear.
I was doing like gray or something. If I can come across black ones, you know what I mean, for like skill to do, then yeah, like, for sure.
Currently, we have the chairs folded into a bed for fun. And the sink's not done yet. We need to figure out what we're gonna do with the sink. This is our fridge. So it's not like electricity or anything like that. You pretty much put an ice block up here on the top, and it keeps the whole thing cold like a cooler pretty much, I guess. But it's full of tools right now and paint. This is our, what is this, Courtney?
Pantry.
Our pantry. It's gonna be our pantry, yes. There's just random stuff in the room right now. It kind of shuts pretty hard. I need to adjust this hinge. We have a bunch of drawers. We have, honestly, this trailer has a lot of storage. Also, the inside of this oven's really clean, but oh well. It looks really clean to my eyes, but on video it looks so nasty. Holy cow. Just looks really dusty, but we're not gonna probably cook anything in there because I don't know what would even cook in that.
A casserole. Litter box.
So this is our bed, but there's a cabinet under there with storage, and we kind of just put his litter box right there. He's really good about going in it, and his food's right there. That piece of tile needs to be refitted. We still have to paint this one. This is what all the cabinets look like. But we're gonna paint it blue. We just haven't gotten to it.
Look at how cute he is. I love him.
Ozzy. Oh.
Oh, he's a good boy.
It started with a heartbeat. I feel it when my heart's